The spring season is approaching. Depending on where you're located, mid-March is about the time to begin mowing your mature, established Bermuda lawn again. Make sure the last freeze of the winter is over. Keep your Bermuda grass at a height of ½ inch to 1½ inches for optimum performance. However, you will want to give your Bermuda grass lawn a buzz cut during the first mow of the spring by dropping the mower down a notch below the height you usually mow. This is usually a little more than 1 inch in height for most rotary mowers. This helps with removing the dead thatch layer and allows the grass to green up faster. Be sure to bag leftover clippings after this first buzz cut. But moving forward, you can leave clippings in the lawn if you choose. It's important to never remove more than 1/3 of the leaf blade at any time. For more information on mowing heights, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Celebration, Latitude 36, and Northbridge. If you have a different kind of Bermuda grass, refer to our generic Bermuda grass maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Bermuda lawns.